Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to do a auto caption in CapCut. So let's say you're doing, auto, and AI is everywhere. CapCut has a lot of AI features, right? So I'm just going to drop a video in here. I'm going to drop the how to do the index video. Let me see. I don't know why I don't drop the index video in here. So we just dropped it right here, and we're gonna wait, let it load here.
Yo, alien.
All right, so now we did that. We got here. Let's cut this much right here. I don't know why. I just don't want that much video. Actually, you know what? There we go. And cut and delete. All right. So now that you have your video here, right? And this is on mobile and this is on PC. So I'm gonna show you on mobile and PC how to get to it. So once you do that, you're gonna go to text, and once you go to text, you're gonna go to AI packaging. Okay, and then once you go to AI packaging, you can either delete current captions if you already have captions here, or you can do commercial materials only. We're gonna hit start, and then it's going to start doing the AI package, and I'm going to pause, and then after that it's going to load it up. Not only does this AI package add captions, but it also highlights keywords, and it also adds sound effects and a lot of more things to your actual video. You actually don't have to do anything else after this. So I'm gonna pause, and when it comes back, we'll watch it. All right, let's get it. Okay, so it said 183 things were made. So let's press play here, and you're gonna see everything that just happened. Let me see if I can kind of make it full screen here. All right, look at this.
Of indexing. Basically, you're able to go through your whole computer and search up whatever you want to in a quickness. You know what I'm saying? Your computer's
Cool, right?
a little harder to index a lot, especially if you let's get it, let's go.
Yep. And you can customize it all you want to. You know, you can make this smaller. You can zoom in, and it'll show everything that is done there for you. And yeah, that's how you do that caption AI cut, where it does highlight keywords and add more sound effects and more to your video. Yeah, so I'm going to show you in the mobile version here. All right, so we're in the mobile version here, and you'll just go to text, and then you'll do AI package on there too. And then you'll just hit start, and it works just like normal. So yeah, that's how you do the AI package, and that is how you do it on mobile and desktop. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.